Okay, 20 feet from the corner. Got it. Driving the first stake. Okay, start digging here. Got it. Trench is marked. It's moving fast. Okay, the holes are fully excavated. Let's dump it right here. Okay, spreading it out now. Looks good. Keep it level. Okay, let's get these joists in place, right? Hand me the next one. Got it. Here. Okay, lower it right here. Got it. Steady now. Perfect. Let's frame this side.
Easy now. Set it right there. Got it. Hold steady. Perfect. It's locked in.
Okay, swing it right over the peak.
Yeah, right there. Drop it.
Good. Next load. Let's get these panels up. Okay, I'll grab the insulation. Hold it steady there. All right, slide it right into the frame. Got it. Push it now. Ready for the window. Okay, lift it in, securing it. Okay, lift it up. Okay, push it in. Got it. It's set. Now for the wiring and pipes. Right, let's get these walls up.